Welcome to Joseph IT. Today we will learn how to capitalize texts and also to make them lowercase online. Here you see some words are written in title case. But I need those in lowercase as well as in uppercase or as capitalized. It will take longer to do one by one. So, highlight and copy all. Go to Google Chrome. Come to Word Counter. Here paste the writings. Before we start, additionally you can see the words, paragraphs, sentences etc. count here. Now come to case. I need to make it lowercase first. All the words are now in lowercase. Again, to make those capitalized. Uppercase. Then title case. As it was earlier. You can also make it sentence case, so that only the first letter will be capitalized. So, this is the easiest way to make your text the case you need online and save your time and energy. Hope this helped you and please subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.